Hey guys, I want to talk about the benefits of losing weight, and there's a lot of them, but we'll go through a few. So the benefits of losing weight. Number one is that you get to look better in a bathing suit and look better in your clothes. So the first reason, which is quite frankly the reason a lot of people lose weight, is to look better in a bathing suit or in their clothes. But it's bigger than that. So another reason is you have more energy. So much more energy, fewer headaches, less stress, less cortisol, so less stress hormones. We have balanced mood. We actually save money when we lose weight. And we're only talking like, 20 pounds. We're not talking massive amounts of weight, but just even a small amount of weight loss reaps tremendous amounts of benefits. We have better immune systems. We have better sleep. We have clearer skin. Food actually even tastes better. We have less sweating, and which is a good thing, less hunger, lowered inflammation, which we know when we lower inflammation, we lower our risk of almost every chronic disease like diabetes and heart disease and most cancers, arthritis, Alzheimer's, dementia. So we lower inflammation, we lower our risk of almost all those chronic diseases. So that's another huge benefit. And then again, we get to look better in a bathing suit or in our clothes. So lots of reasons to lose weight. So there's also a lot of intangible benefits, like we get to add more life to our years and more years to our life. We get to be a more active parent or grandparent. We get to travel, enjoy our hobbies, play golf, play tennis, garden, whatever that is for you. And the bigger thing really is we get to be a role model for our family, for the people that look up to us and see what we do with our lives. As we lose weight and we get healthier, we get to role model healthy living for that next generation. So we're doing an event Tuesday the 5th at 6 o'clock. It's our weight loss event. So we're going to teach you how to lose weight. Most people lose between 20 to 40 pounds within 6 weeks. We're going to show you how to do that in a very easy way. So Tuesday night, 6 o'clock, you can do it live in the office. We're going to stream it on Facebook Live. So hope to see you guys there.